The Pontiac Firebird is more than just a car, it is a symbol of American automotive ingenuity, a testament to the spirit of freedom, and a cultural icon that has left an indelible mark on the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. Born in the late 1960s, the Firebird emerged during a time of great change and innovation in the automotive industry. It was an era when muscle cars ruled the roads, and the Firebird quickly established itself as a formidable contender in this competitive landscape. With its sleek design, powerful engines, and undeniable charisma, the Firebird became a legend that continues to captivate generations of car lovers. The story of the Pontiac Firebird begins in 1967, when it was introduced as a sibling to the Chevrolet Camaro. Both cars were part of General Motors' response to the wildly successful Ford Mustang, which had sparked the "pony car" craze. However, the Firebird was not merely a rebadged Camaro, it had its own unique identity. Pontiac infused the Firebird with a distinct personality, characterized by its bold styling, performance-oriented engineering, and a sense of sophistication that set it apart from its competitors. From the very beginning, the Firebird was designed to be more than just a car, it was a statement. One of the most striking features of the Firebird was its design. The first-generation Firebird, produced from 1967 to 1969, featured a long hood, a short deck, and a wide stance that exuded confidence and power. The front end was dominated by a split grille, a design element that would become a hallmark of the Firebird throughout its production. The car's aerodynamic shape and sculpted lines gave it a sense of motion, even when it was standing still. Inside, the Firebird offered a driver-focused cockpit with a sporty yet comfortable interior, making it a joy to drive on both the open road and the racetrack. Under the hood, the Firebird was equally impressive. The first-generation models were available with a range of engines, from a modest inline-six to a range of V8 powerplants that delivered thrilling performance. The top-of-the-line Firebird 400, equipped with a 6.6-liter V8 engine, was a true muscle car that could hold its own against any competitor. The Firebird's performance capabilities were further enhanced by its suspension and handling, which were tuned for both comfort and agility. Whether cruising down the highway or tearing up the track, the Firebird offered an exhilarating driving experience. As the years went by, the Firebird continued to evolve, adapting to changing tastes and technological advancements while staying true to its roots. The second-generation Firebird, introduced in 1970, featured a more aggressive design with a pronounced Coke bottle shape and a distinctive shark nose front end. This generation also saw the introduction of the Trans Am, a high-performance variant that would become synonymous with the Firebird name. The Trans Am was named after the Trans-American Racing Series, and it lived up to its racing heritage with a focus on performance and handling. With its bold graphics, hood scoops, and spoilers, the Trans Am was a head-turner that embodied the spirit of the 1970s. The second-generation Firebird also gained fame through its appearances in popular culture. Perhaps the most iconic example is the 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, which starred alongside Burt Reynolds in the movie Smokey and the Bandit ***. The black and gold Trans Am became an instant legend, symbolizing rebellion, freedom, and the thrill of the open road. The car's popularity skyrocketed, and it became a cultural phenomenon that transcended the automotive world. Even today, the Smokey and the Bandit Trans Am is celebrated as one of the most iconic cars in movie history. The third-generation Firebird, introduced in 1982, marked a shift in design and technology. With the advent of fuel efficiency standards and changing consumer preferences, the Firebird embraced a more aerodynamic and modern look. The wedge-shaped design, pop-up headlights, and sleek profile gave the car a futuristic appearance that was ahead of its time. Despite the challenges of the era, the Firebird retained its performance credentials, thanks to advancements in engine technology and aerodynamics. The Trans Am continued to be a performance leader, offering turbocharged engines and advanced suspension systems that delivered impressive speed and handling. The fourth and final generation of the Firebird, produced from 1993 to 2002, represented the culmination of the model's evolution. With its bold, aggressive styling and powerful engines, the fourth-generation Firebird was a fitting tribute to the legacy of the nameplate. The Trans Am, in particular, stood out with its distinctive ram air hood and high-output V8 engines that delivered exhilarating performance. The Firebird also embraced modern technology, with features like traction control, anti-lock brakes, and advanced suspension systems that enhanced both performance and safety. Throughout its history, the Pontiac Firebird was more than just a car, it was a cultural icon that represented the spirit of its time. From the muscle car era of the 1960s and 1970s to the high-tech performance machines of the 1990s and early 2000s, the Firebird adapted to the changing times while staying true to its core values of performance, style, and innovation. It was a car that appealed to a wide range of drivers, from everyday enthusiasts to professional racers, and it left an indelible mark on the automotive world. Sadly, the Firebird's journey came to an end in 2002, when General Motors discontinued the model as part of a broader restructuring effort. The decision marked the end of an era, but the Firebird's legacy lives on. Today, the Firebird is celebrated by collectors, enthusiasts, and historians who recognize its significance in automotive history. Restored Firebirds and Trans Ams are highly sought after, and they continue to turn heads at car shows and events around the world. The Pontiac Firebird is a testament to the power of innovation, design, and passion. It is a car that captured the imagination of millions and became a symbol of American automotive excellence. Whether roaring down the highway, dominating the racetrack, or starring on the silver screen, the Firebird always delivered an unforgettable experience. Its legacy is a reminder of a time when cars were more than just transportation, they were works of art, expressions of freedom, and sources of inspiration. The Pontiac Firebird will forever hold a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts, and its story will continue to inspire future generations.